tackle today about the 10 reasons I chose and discuss it briefly. First is moral dilemma. Situation in which a difficult choice has to be made between two or more alternatives, especially equally unreasonable. Example, you caught your classmate cheating while you are having your exam. You will know that is not right. That is why you have to decide what thing to be done. Is to tell your teacher or to remain silent to avoid any trouble. Second is freedom. Means no ties, no hindrances, no blocks. It is the ability to do whatever a person wants to do. Example, we are in a democratic country. It means we are given freedom, namely freedom of information, freedom of speech, freedom of suffrage, and freedom of religion. We are allowed to do whatever we want, but of course it needs responsibility. Next is norms. Used to measure whether an act done is good or bad, right or wrong, and moral or immoral. Next is culture. Contains nearly aspects of shared human experience. It is the belief, values, norms, and etc. of a person. There are elements of culture, symbol, language, belief, values, and norms. Example, we as Filipinos are known for being hospitable, and it is our culture. Next is moral character. Refers to the existence of virtues such as integrity, courage, fortitude, honor, and loyalty. Example, to our family, we show loyalty by respecting the rules and regulations inside the house. This is showing moral character, which is loyalty. Next is what is the role of feelings in decision making. In any given situation, a person would act based on emotion rather than reason. Reason and emotion should work as one in decision making. Example, you want to tell to your teacher about the cheating case because you have reason and it is to give him lesson. On the other hand, he has doubt because he don't want his classmate to feel bad at him. Next, what is religion? System of belief and practices. Example, Catholic is a kind of religion. Next is moral experiences. In an encounter wherein a person understands that her values he or she believes to be important are either realized or thwarted. Next is importance of role of social being. Humans do not live in isolation. Human communities have better chances to survive if they work together. Next is freedom demands responsibility. A person should act accordingly.